Rewiring of 4L80. What you do is going to take the white from this blue here, pin 79, and move it to the red. Be pin, where is it? Pin 22. I already got the tan and the black done. That came out of 42, I believe. Yes, 42. And that goes in 23. To get this off, you got these little clips. Push them in, pull it out. Up here, you might want to work them back and forth a little bit on each side. That's what I had to do to get mine out. Otherwise, you'll wind up with one broken like that. And to access these clips, to push these pins out, push this white tab in on this side first, and then back on that side and lift it straight off. And to get the pin out, just pry it back. You can use your finger on these, they're pretty easy to get to, and push the pin down and out. I also have a small Allen key that I'll use to break through that silicone that they use from factory to plug it before I push my white pin into the red.